Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss how we can add shapes in Microsoft Word. Friends, sometimes we need a shapes which we cannot create through keyword or we cannot make. So these shapes are added in Word library. We can use the shapes from Microsoft Word and we can do our required task. Now friends, first of all open Microsoft Word and see how we can add shapes in Microsoft Word. Go to start menu, then open Microsoft Word. Friends, after opening Microsoft Word, go to insert menu and here you will see an icon, draw a shape, insert ready-made shapes such as circles, squares and arrows. Friends, click down arrow and here you will see different kinds of shapes are available like arrows, circle and some other kind of signs. Here you will see all kind of shapes. We will select anyone like this. Okay, we can also change its color like click here, and if we want to insert red color or orange color or black color, we can use any color which we want to add. Okay, again we see here different kinds of shapes like you will see a circle. Also we can change its color or where we can also add text in this. We can also add more shapes like these type of arrows. Okay, and some more shapes like no friends, these are all about the shapes we can insert in this type shapes, and we can also write text in shapes by right clicking on the shape and click on add text. Here we will type any kind of text like this one. Okay, and these shapes are already made and we can just click on insert and add these shapes, because from keyboard we cannot make these shapes. So this is all about this our topic. If you are facing any difficulty, you can write me in comments. I will fully support you. Thanks. Bye.